Hello everyone, today gagawa po ako ng aking breakfast. Since I got a gestational diabetes, so they recommend me to do a diet. So this is one of my breakfast recipe that I always made, but I love it. It's yummy anyway. Not really the same as pancake. It's the normal pancake, but it's different taste, but it's delicious. So these are the ingredients. So this is a little big portion, so I usually do half of the amount of the recipe. So here it says coconut flour, but I also mix with almond flour to make it a little bit softer. So here is my cottage cheese, this coconut flour and almond flour. Here's my vanilla extract, baking powder, cooking spray. So that's my sugar. It's coconut sugar and fun. So I also adding on it this flaxseed, which is also good for nutrition, and chia seed, it's also good for omega-3. And here is the egg and my tools, and yeah, it just fits in this. So let's get started. Okay, so first let's put the egg. Dito na yung egg, dalawa. Mix natin siya. Sampai lang. At siya lang siya sa bowl. And let's add the cottage cheese. So, cottage cheese. Here. So it says 1 cup whole milk cottage cheese. So I'm just gonna put half of it. Dahil half lang naman ang gagawin ko. So half cup. Yes, for me only for my breakfast. And we can add the vanilla extract here. It is 1 tablespoon, so I'm just gonna put half of the tablespoon, half and half. And the sugar. It's lang na konti, then you add the sugar. So sugar, it says 2 tablespoons sugar, so I'm just gonna have 1 tablespoon. Okay, and mixed. Mix. Okay, now we can add the coconut flour, baking soda, and mix to combine. So it says 6 tablespoons of coconut flour. So I just gonna put 3 tablespoons of coconut flour, but actually I just gonna put 2 tablespoons coconut flour and 1 tablespoon of almond. I used to do that, so it's kind of a little bit soft because coconut flour is dry, and almond flour is make it a bit soft or wet. So 1, 2. Coconut flour and 1 almond flour. Okay, and I also put flaxseed for delicious. And this is also good for energy, which I really needed it too. So I have 1 tablespoon as well. That's it. I'm breaking soda. This half teaspoon, so 1/4, just the smallest one, tiniest one. Okay, next some time. Let me show you. So that, aba. So next ko naman siya. Dito sa okay, next. Okay. Mabango siya. Dahil mabango yung coconut flour plus vanilla extract. So, yummy. Okay, mix one more time. So we'll mix all the ingredients together. Okay, done. Okay, gawin natin ang aking pan. Okay, so gawin natin ang pancake. Here's my spray, cooking spray. Hatiin ko siya sa tatlo. Para cute niya. Tatlo. Kasya siya dyan. And one here. Kasya siya. Maybe just do lang. Messy po. Okay. Medyo may buo-buo siya. Yun yung cottage cheese. Pero natutunaw din siya. Kasi nga cheese, diba? Okay. Sinutin. Kasi sayang. Medyo mahal ang mga ingredients. Yan. Kung naamoy nyo lang, mabango siya. There's a coconut flour. So, ito na siya. Dalawa yung piraso na gawa ko. So, lalagyan ko na siya ng toppings. So, kayo guys, up to you kung anong toppings lalagay nyo. But, they recommend me to eat berries. That's the best fruits that I can have. So, I use all kind of berries. So, these are my toppings. I'm gonna put them. So, I have blueberry, raspberry, and blackberry, and strawberry. And I put on top the what is that, low fat plain yogurt. So, and of course dust of cinnamon, my favorite. So let's see. Okay, so lagyan ko siya ng yogurt. I love this yogurt dahil hindi siya sour. I love that yogurt. Wala akong kita lang here. So, ubusin ko na siya. I forgot to buy more. So, finish. Boy, I need to buy more. ko lang siya dyan. Kung hindi naman kayo diabetic, you can put syrup, but I really don't like sweet syrup, and I can't have sugar. So okay, spread na siya. Now the berries, kinat ko lang to dahil malalaki yung blueberry, so hinati ko siya. All this, up to you what kind of berries you'd like to put in. And strawberry, I cut them small already, so I don't have to bite them. And it actually really works to me. My sugar, it stays good. And this one, of course, raspberry, favorite. And spread it. Now a dust of cinnamon. And voila. I love cinnamon a lot. Nice. And it's also, that's good benefits. Okay. So that's it. My keto breakfast. Keto cheese pancake breakfast. That's it na, guys.